Good evening, students. Today we will cover the topic non-cooperation movement, which was launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 4th of September 1920. Students, we will cover a single topic today, non-cooperation movement, but for sure we will cover all the relevant points regarding the non-cooperation movement. It means why Mahatma Gandhi launched non-cooperation movement, what was exactly NCM, the effects of non-cooperation movement, why Mahatma Gandhi withdraw it finally, and who were the participants in non-cooperation movement. All the relevant, all the related points which can come into the exam regarding non-cooperation movement we will cover today. The first one here it is reasons to launch non-cooperation movement. Why Mahatma Gandhi finally decided to launch non-cooperation movement, why he started this movement. In the previous lecture I have already told you about the Rowlatt Act and the Jallianwala Bagh incident. What was Rowlatt Act? Under the Rowlatt Act, which is also known as the Black Act, the Britishers, they could detain any political leader, any person without any reason for at least 2 years without any trial. It means no appeal, no dalil, and no vakil. And the Jallianwala Bagh incident on 13th of April 1919. What happened in Jallianwala Bagh? General Dyer, he came and he block all the exit point and finally gave the orders to the troop to open fire, and many of the innocent people, they were killed in Jallianwala Bagh incident. तो इन दो इंसिडेंट से इंस्पायर होकर फाइनली महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज टू सपोर्ट द खिलाफत मूवमेंट. Also in previous lecture, the Khilafat movement started by Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, the two brothers, and Gandhi ji, what he thought that एनसीएम स्टार्ट करने के लिए हिंदू और मुस्लिम में यूनिटी होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो to support the Khilafat movement also, Gandhiji merged non-cooperation movement with the Khilafat movement, and the new name of the non-cooperation movement came out as a non-cooperation Khilafat movement. The second topic here is what was non-cooperation movement. Student, Gandhiji in his book Hind Swaraj, he wrote that the Britishers, if they are ruling in India, it is just because of the Indians. If the Indians, they boycott the Britishers, they fight against the Britishers, the Indian, if they neglect, if they ignore the Britishers, the the Britisher Raj or the Britisher rule, I can say, it would be collapsed within a year. So, non-cooperation movement was not to cooperate with the Britisher, and under this, what happened exactly? The Indians, they start boycotting of legislative council, boycotting of government school and colleges, boycott of British goods, surrender of title. Students left the government schools, the lawyer gave up their practices. Student, boycott क्या होता है? Boycott, I can say, a total protest. That time the Britishers, they import various foreign goods in India. So finally Indian decided that we will use khadi, not the foreign goods. So the boycott of foreign or British goods, boycott of government schools and colleges. The teachers who appointed their services in the government school, they finally left their services. गवर्नमेंट जॉब छोड़ना उस टाइम बहुत बड़ी बात थी. स्टूडेंट्स कॉलेजेस नहीं जाते थे, स्कूल नहीं जाते थे, बिकॉज द सर्विसेज वाज गिवन बाय द ब्रिटिशर्स. सो फाइनली दे डिसाइडेड दैट अंडर द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, दे मीन्स गांधी जी एंड गांधी जी सपोर्टर फॉर द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट, फाइनली दे डिसाइडेड दैट दे विल बायकॉट द कोर्ट्स एंड गवर्नमेंट स्कूल कॉलेजेस. दे सरेंडर द टाइटल्स. अगर उनको कुछ ऑनर मिल रहा है सरकार की तरफ से, कोई अच्छी पद्म भूषण लाइक एक टाइटल या एक अवार्ड ऑनर मिल रहे हैं, तो इवन वो भी उसे क्या करेंगे, वापस दे देंगे, सरेंडर कर देंगे, हम एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. फाइनली लोगों ने ये डिसाइड किया. देन द थर्ड टॉपिक इज इफेक्ट ऑफ एनसीएम. व्हेन एनसीएम स्टार्टेड, स्टूडेंट आई वांट टू टेल यू हियर दैट नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो है नेशन वाइड हुआ था. नेशन वाइड मीन्स सेम टाइम पे ये रूरल एरियाज़ में भी चल रहा था एंड सेम टाइम पे ये कंट्री साइड मतलब विलेजेस में भी और अर्बन एरियाज़ में भी चल रहा था. एंड इफेक्ट्स ऑफ एनसीएम, बिकॉज द इंडियंस दे फाइनली डिसाइडेड दैट दे विल नॉट यूज द फॉरेन गुड्स, they will use the khadi as suggested by Mahatma Gandhi. So the foreign goods were boycotted. As a result, the import of foreign clothes, it dropped from 102 crore to 57 crore merely. It means the Britisher, they faced the huge losses just because the Indians boycott the foreign goods. And the second, because wearing of only Indian clothes, क्योंकि that time the Indians decided that we will only prefer the स्वदेशी goods. स्वदेशी means घर के अंदर बना हुआ गुड. घर मतलब देश, अपने देश में बने हुए गुड्स को ही हम प्रेफरेंस देंगे. सो इसकी वजह से जो प्रोडक्शन है गुड्स की वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्रीज़ होने लगी. एंड देन द मर्चेंट्स दे रिफ्यूज़ टू ट्रेड इन द फॉरेन गुड्स. जो बहुत बड़े बड़े मर्चेंट्स थे फाइनली दे ऑल्सो रिफ्यूज़ टू finance the foreign goods. It means the merchants who were the helping hands as a finance to the Britisher. It means पहले वो जो है फाइनेंस प्रोवाइड कर देते थे बड़ी बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज को सेटअप करने के लिए ब्रिटिशर्स को, बट फाइनली दे रिफ्यूज टू ट्रेड इन द फॉरेन गुड्स. Then the fourth one is the factor responsible for the gradual slowdown of non-cooperation movement. Students, the factors responsible for the gradual slowdown of the non-cooperation or the reasons to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. Why Gandhi ji they withdraw the non-cooperation movement on Feb 1922? The first reason was expensive khadi. Gandhi ji suggested that every Indian should use the khadi instead of using the British goods, instead of using the foreign or machine made goods. But student, that time expensive was khadi was very expensive. Poor people, they couldn't afford the khadi, and the British and foreign goods they were cheaper as compared to khadi. So Gandhi ji ने तो कह दिया कि खादी यूज़ कर लो, but the Indians they were not able to purchase khadi. So finally they restarted purchasing the foreign goods or the British good because they had no option. Khadi's alternative was the foreign goods or the British good. उन्हें खादी एक्सपेंसिव लगती थी, जो फॉरेन गुड्स थे वो सस्ते थे, इसलिए उन्होंने फॉरेन गुड्स को दोबारा परचेज करना शुरू कर दिया. लैक ऑफ सपोर्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नो ऑल्टरनेटिव. द स्टूडेंट्स हु लेफ्ट देयर स्कूल्स, द टीचर हु लेफ्ट देयर गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज, द लॉयर्स हु गेव अप देयर प्रैक्टिसेस, दे रीजॉइन देयर सर्विसेज बिकॉज ऑफ लैक ऑफ इनकम. टीचर्स की इनकम का सोर्स, लॉयर की इनकम का सोर्स उनकी जॉब्स ही थी. जल्दबाजी में उन्होंने अपनी जॉब्स छोड़ दी. नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है, गांधी जी को सपोर्ट करना है. बट ग्रेजुअली जब धीरे धीरे समय बीता, जब धीरे धीरे टाइम हुआ, जब उन्हें लगा कि हमारी तो कुछ कमाई ही नहीं हो रही है, हमारे पास पैसा ही नहीं है, एंड द मनी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्पेशली टू फॉर द सबसिस्टेंस, टू लाइवलीहुड. जीने का एक मात्र सहारा होता है पैसा. सो द टीचर हु लेफ्ट देयर स्कूल्स, हु लेफ्ट देयर सर्विसेज, कॉलेजेस, दे हैड नो अदर ऑप्शन, सो दे रीजॉइन इट. And the one of the most important reason that why Gandhi ji withdraw the movement, non-cooperation movement, is the Chori Chora incident at Gorakhpur in Uttar Pradesh, and 22 policemen they were burnt alive in this incident. चोरी चोरा स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज़ इन गोरखपुर. गोरखपुर में एक पुलिस स्टेशन के बाहर बहुत पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा था. बट वो कब it turned into the violent and गोलियां चली, पुलिस ने भी लोगों को मारा, लोगों ने भी मारा, but the result is 22 policemen they weren't burnt alive. जिंदा 22 पुलिसमैन मारे गए. जो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर्स थे उन्होंने पूरे थाने को आग लगा दी, which according to Mahatma Gandhi was totally wrong. And when Gandhi ji came to know this incident, Gandhi ji felt that my NCM, my non-cooperation movement, whose agenda was not to use the violence, as in our previous chapter we have discussed that satyagraha, also Gandhi ji in satyagraha said the idea of satyagraha, that if you are fighting for a true cause, there is a no need of violence in it. And now there was a lot of violence in chora chori incidents, and when Gandhi ji felt that it turned into the violence, so he finally decided to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. Then who were the participant of non-cooperation movement, who participated in non-cooperation movement? And student, there is always a reason to support anything. So the tribals, so the peasants, the workers, they had their own notions of non-cooperation movement. It means they were supporting Mahatma Gandhi just because of their various reasons. The first one here is tribal people. They joined the NCM. Why tribals they supported Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement? Simple is because of the new forest policy, and in class 9th you have already studied about it, that according to this policy in Buster Rebellion, the villagers, they were not allowed to enter in forest grazing their cattle and to collect the fuel wood. So Begar was also another reasons to join the non-cooperation movement. Closing of large area for the tribal people, and their traditional rights were denied. It means finally, because tribals who were living in the forest, suddenly the Britishers said that they can't use the forest anymore. So finally they decided to join NCM. Similarly, the NCM in the countryside. In the countryside, the movement was led by peasant tribals, mainly in Awadh by Baba Ramchandra. Baba Ramchandra was a sannyasi. Question aa jata hai kai baar exam mein that who was Baba Ramchandra? Baba Ramchandra is a sannyasi from the Fiji, and student, in Awadh he supported the non-cooperation movement. Rural people also participated in the non-cooperation movement because of the high taxes charged by them, because of the Begar. And finally the rural people, they participated in NCM not against the Britisher, just against the talukdars and the landlord, because the landlords and talukdars, they were charging so much taxes from them. And the Begar, as you know, the free services without paying anything, maybe in kind कुछ दे देते हैं, बट कैश में कुछ भी नहीं देते. सो बेगार एंड हाई टैक्सेस चार्ज करने की वजह से इवन जो रूरल पीपल हैं, दे ऑल्सो सपोर्टेड द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट. देन स्टूडेंट्स, द वे ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट. फाइनली व्हाट दे डिड, they started they started non-cooperation movement. They boycott of foreign goods, the boycott of surrender and titles, the government school and the government school and the services were boycotted. With this, Nai and Dhobi buns were very famous that time. Nai means the barber and the Dhobi washerman. It means उन्होंने अपनी जो सर्विसेज थी, ये जो छोटे लोग, मतलब जो ये कहते हैं ना, इस क्लास के लोगों ने ब्रिटिशर्स को अपनी सर्विसेज देना बंद कर दी. बार्बर की, कोबलर की, वॉशरमैन की कोई सर्विस उन्होंने प्रोवाइड नहीं की. द वे ऑफ प्रोटेस्ट, ये उनका तरीका था कि हम अपनी शॉप्स बंद करेंगे, हम अपनी सर्विस नहीं देंगे उनको. एज अ रिजल्ट उनको हमारी डिमांड्स माननी पड़ेंगी. एंड व्हाट वाज द मेन डिमांड ऑफ नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट? To get the Swaraj. It means complete independence. We want the independence. And then Nehru ji, Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, that time he went to Awadh, and he discussed the problem and the complaints of the people. And finally, students, again come to the topic, the reasons to withdraw the non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi. As I have discussed it earlier, the factors, you can say the factor responsible for the gradual slowdown of the NCM, or the reasons to withdraw the non-cooperation movement by Mahatma Gandhi, is almost the same. The first one is the Chori Chora incident, the second one is the lack of training of Satyagrahi, then all the industrialists, workers, peasant, they use the term Swaraj differently. It means सबके लिए, जैसे ट्राइबल्स के लिए नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट को ज्वाइन करने का मेन रीज़न क्या था, बेगार एंड द फॉरेस्ट लॉ, जिसके अंडर वो फॉरेस्ट को यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे थे. सिमिलरली इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट के लिए एनसीएम को ज्वाइन करने का रीज़न ये था कि वो टैक्सेस और वो जो सॉल्ट पे एक मोनोपली लग चुकी थी, विच वी विल डिस्कस लेटर इन डीप, उस पे वो मोनोपली हटाना चाहते थे. पीजेंट्स क्या चाहते थे कि जो जमींदारी सिस्टम है, इतना जो उनसे टैक्स लिया जा रहा है, वो ख़त्म हो. इस वजह से बच्चे, जो नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट था, सबके लिए इसका मीनिंग अलग अलग था. कोई भी देश के लिए नहीं लड़ रहा था, ठीक है ना. सिमिलरली जैसे 1857 में सब अपने लिए लड़े, सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी सब ने अपने अपने लिए एनसीएम को ज्वाइन किया, जिससे रिज़ल्ट इतना अच्छा नहीं आया. खादी वॉज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव दैट टाइम. सो जितना हम बायकॉट सोच रहे थे कि हम फॉरेन गुड्स को बहुत लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हम इसको बायकॉट कर सकते हैं, बट हमारे पास कोई और ऑप्शन ही नहीं था. खादी महंगी थी, तो हमने दोबारा से फॉरेन गुड्स, ब्रिटिश गुड्स को एक्सेप्ट करना शुरू किया. टीचर्स ने, लॉयर्स ने एक बार तो अपनी जॉब छोड़ दी, बट फाइनली दे रीजॉइन इट बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ इनकम, बिकॉज टू survive in future. This is the reasons to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. And there is also another reason, the elections of provincial council. Some of the Congress leader, finally they fed up with the NCM. Finally they wanted that the elections होने चाहिए और हम elections के through अपनी नवी सरकार बनाएंगे, especially in Madras by the Justice Party. It was done. So students, today we have discussed the first topic, the reasons to launch the non-cooperation movement. देन एनसीएम क्या था, बायकॉट करना है, हर चीज़ को अवॉइड करना है हमने, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स में स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं जाना, एंड टीचर्स ने अपने कॉलेजेस, अपने सर्विसेज छोड़ दिए. देन इफेक्ट्स, फॉरेन गुड्स की जो वैल्यू है, जितनी इनकम वहाँ से आ रही थी, वो धीरे धीरे ड्रॉप्ड होती गई. And then the factor responsible for the gradual slowdown of NCM, or the reasons to withdraw the non-cooperation movement. Then tribal people join NCM in the countryside, and finally the way of protest. I hope this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can call me. Good evening.